Did you know that the smell of freshly cut grass is actually a plant distress signal? When grass is cut, it releases a mix of chemicals called green leaf volatiles. These compounds are a cry for help, warning nearby plants of potential danger. It's like the grass is screaming, "Help! I'm being attacked." This scent also attracts beneficial insects that prey on plant-eating pests. So, next time you mow the lawn, remember, it's not just a fresh scent. It's a botanical SOS. Like, comment, and subscribe for more intriguing stories.